Alright, well, we got something right here. Please bear with me. It's my first time filming metal detecting, so. But we got about nothing special, but it's about a 23 to 25. It's a good signal, so we're going to go over it right here. We're going to see what we got. Test that again. Right there in between those two leaves. So we're going to give it a shot. Again, please bear with me. My first time filming with metal detecting. We're out in the woods here. Probably just a piece of iron, but that's okay. First find of the day. It's a Sunday, 4th of July weekend. We're going to see what we got. Want to get a little early because it's already muggy. It's about 10 o'clock Sunday, and it's already muggy. It's already brutal out here. Oh. Test it on the shovel. Right here. Probably just a piece of old iron or something. Yep, that's all it is. Not sure what it is, but old buckle or something. We'll clean it up when we get to the house. It's a chunk of iron. Not sure. It could be some sort of buckle or something, or ooh, that might be some sort of. Oh, you know what that is? That looks like an old pocket knife. A piece of one. Ah. Well, we'll clean it up later when we get back to the house. I don't clean too much in the field. Something else here. I don't clean too much in the field. I don't worry about it. Thing is, where I'm at, where I'm digging today, could be a spot where I don't want to say too much because I'm gonna post this video. Oh, whatever it was small. Gotta be careful. See what I just did? I actually just rung up. I actually just hit. Yeah, see? There's part of the blade. That was an old pocket knife I just found. That was just an old pocket knife I just found. Pretty cool find because where I am at right now, let's just say there was history in here of Civil War soldiers. And I just found an old pocket knife. I mean, that thing is old. But anyway, that was our first dig. Thanks for tuning in. We'll try to hit up this area over here and film another one.